Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to be showing you the Bean Machine tappet cover for the 89 to 02 Dodge trucks. Beans Diesel has entered into the machining world with their company, Bean Machine. Now, you've heard of the Bean sump. We sell a lot of those. This is the first project that Beans had. They kind of launched them into the machining sector, and they've done a great job with the products that they offer. Really high quality stuff. One of our best selling Bean Machine products that we offer is the tappet cover for the 1989 to 2002 Dodge 5.9 trucks. Now, this tappet cover has got a lot of features that really set it apart from the stock OE cover, as well as their competition out there in the space. So first off, really nice finish on this cover. This cover is again for the 89 to 02 trucks. It'll work on the VE, the VP, and the P-Pump trucks. Now this has got a baffled filter here. The baffled filter is going to keep the oil in the crankcase, but it allows to have a good flow for the crankcase pressure. Now you can add lines to this to run it out to a catch can if you like. But this is a really nice, and this is serviceable. It's got bolts on it, so you can pull it out. You can pull the little filter out of it and clean it or change it out however you want to do that. Now, this actually, let's talk about it for just a minute for you 98.5 to 02 guys. 98.5 to 02 trucks has got an ECM, and for that, included in your hardware packet, we have spacers for the ECM for the mounting, so no need to buy a separate ECM mounting kit. Everything comes with the tappet cover itself. Really great machine work. And another really nice feature of this is the O-ring. Now, if you're doing the tappet cover on your truck, if you're doing a VP44 change, we definitely suggest that you do one of these tappet covers. This is going to be one of the biggest leaking points on the 98.5 to 02 Dodge truck is from the tappet cover and the junky OE gasket that goes around it. So what Bean's done here is they have gone with an O-ring seal all the way around the cover, already recessed in there. Really nice. That's going to give you a leak-proof installation on it. Really nice. They've gone one step farther and they have done O-rings around the mounting bolts that will go into the standards on the engine. So they really done a good job there. Of course, you've got the recesses here for any clearance that you need for your push rods, but really good, really high quality cover. This is made in America down in Tennessee at Bean's shop. And again, check out the other stuff that the Bean Machine does. They do some really high-end stuff as well in the machinery. You guys that are looking for triple CP3 pump setups, they do an awesome job on that. They're all the time in the research lab drawing up new plans and coming up with new parts. So Bean Machine, check them out. You even get with this, you get their cool sticker that comes with it, not to be hokey, but their logo is really cool. It's a set of lathe, golly, I can't talk. A set of lathe jaws for the chucks on a lathe, so it's pretty cool. So Bean Machine worked that into their logo. Cool stuff, nice part, check it out. Don't just think of Bean Machine as sumps. They've got a plethora of different parts for your truck. Thanks for watching.